Hello dear children, hello dear parents, hello dear adults. A warm welcome to your video of the Bardowick Primary School test route. I'd like to show you today what the test route looks like, and I'd like to ride along it straight away. A first point for the parents, thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for showing the children the route, perhaps by riding it together at the weekend. And many thanks also to all the parents who are helping out here as route marshals and giving us feedback on how the children ride. Now, dear children, there is no need to be nervous. You can do it. You've had the theory lessons, and you've probably even been to our traffic training ground. So I want to encourage you. If you want to avoid penalty points, please remember to do your shoulder check and use hand signals. That's where most penalty points are picked up. So whenever you're turning anywhere, please, it's better to look once too often than not enough, and remember your hand signals. My ride will look different to your ride. There might be a parked car for you where there isn't one for me, or the other way round, there's no parked car for you. And another thing that can happen is bin lorries or postal vehicles, parcel delivery drivers, they sometimes drive a bit erratically, to put it politely. And you should always be extra careful with them, especially when cars are reversing. What's always the right thing to do is to stop if you're unsure. If you have a bad feeling about something, you can pull over to the side of the road, wait for the situation to resolve, maybe sort it out, and then carry on afterwards. Right, I'm going to hop on my bike now and off we go. Here we are in your school playground. It is me, by the way, Martin Schwanitz, Road Safety Advisor at the police station. On the school playground, we walk our bikes, of course. And while we're on the subject of walking your bike, your cycling test route. It's a nice route, but even here there are one or two places where you'll need to walk your bike. Sometimes we want you to walk your bike because we want you to be safer on the road. But sometimes you also have to walk it because the rules of the highway code require it. I'll be providing commentary on everything, and you can see later where you want to walk your bike or ride, if that's allowed. Right. Now we're here on a shared footway and cycle path. You have to ride here. Setting off, shoulder check, hand signal, final check. That means this blue sign means we must use this path here as cyclists. We aren't allowed on the carriageway, but we'll be moving onto the carriageway shortly. That means, here at this property entrance and exit, shoulder check left, hand signal left, please be extremely careful. If anything is coming, let it pass. And if, like in my case, nothing else is coming, then you can continue riding on the carriageway here. We are riding past the bus roundabout on Friedrich Ludwig Jahnstraße, and yes, your school too. Up ahead, there's a give way sign. Shoulder check right, hand signal right. And here we want you to stop. Definitely stop for safety reasons. It's not actually required here according to the sign, but we want you to do it. Right, another shoulder check to the right. Then we continue riding along the edge of the road here. And we ride past the bus stop here, and at the end of the bus stop, please give a hand signal to the right to show that we want to stop here, because we want to continue by pushing on the pavement. This is the pavement now. We're pushing here now, for the cycling test by the way, and we're pushing towards the traffic lights. That means we push here to the stop sign. Then we check here to see if everything is clear. And if that's the case, then we can push the bike across. And we push past the ice cream parlour until we reach the traffic lights. By the way, we're on Piperstrasse now, and want to push across Hamburgerlandstrasse up ahead. Right. The traffic light is red for us. There's someone standing here already, and on the other side too. And in the traffic light, And I'd like to highlight this. At this point, we have two symbols, a pedestrian symbol and a bicycle symbol. That means you could certainly ride across here. But for the cycling proficiency test, we want you to push. And you're only allowed to ride across at a traffic light like this if the bicycle symbol is also displayed. If there were only a pedestrian symbol, just a pedestrian symbol, then you'd have to push anyway. Right, now we want to continue along Hamburger Landstrasse. Pull up here at the edge of the road, shoulder check, left, hand signal, left, another quick look. And if nothing's coming, we can set off. And here we are on a shared pedestrian and cycle path. If we are here, and there are pedestrians about, please pass them with extreme caution. And if there isn't enough space, well then you definitely have to stop and slow down. Just like here at the bus stop. It could be that a bus is coming here, in which case you'd also have to wait and slow down. And you might find pedestrians here at any time. So we've got several bus stops here. And please be careful there. There are loads of entrances and exits here. Cars could be pulling in and out. Please be careful. There are cars parked on the left. Doors could open there. Please be careful there too. You can see entrances and exits and parked cars here all the time. So you've certainly got your work cut out for you here, and you can do your bit for safety by driving very attentively. And I'd like to say a bit more about the bus stops, because there's another bus stop coming up just ahead. If a bus stops there and pedestrians want to get on or off, we must drive at no more than walking pace. And to ensure no one is put at risk, you might even have to stop. There's no bus coming our way here. And there was someone sitting in the shelter who didn't want to leave. I saw that, so you can drive normally here. But as we said, pedestrians have priority there, and we must drive at no more than walking pace, and perhaps even stop, so that no one is inconvenienced. Right, the next junction, we'll be extra careful there too. I'm doing a shoulder check to the left here to see if I'm being given right away. It's possible you'll be told that for safety reasons you have to push your bike across here for the cycling test. Later on you might be able to ride across. But even I ride very carefully here and always check to the left and right again. Unfortunately, the cars drive relatively fast here, which is why you might get overlooked sometimes. I don't like the word overlooked, but that's how it's put, unfortunately. It's not, but that's what's said, unfortunately. So, you get cut up, and then it becomes dangerous for a cyclist like us, of course. If there are pedestrians about here, please let's be extremely careful. We've sped this up a bit, and we're now coming to the roundabout. I want to signal that I want to go across there. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. And here, we want you to push your bike across for the test route. Please push your bike across here for safety reasons. This is, by the way, another roundabout where quite a few accidents happen. It's supposed to be redesigned at some point. Right, and we'll continue pushing the bike here. And you can see the traffic sign here. Pedestrian path with an additional sign saying cyclists permitted. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. And if nothing is coming, we can carry on. Right, this is a special path for pedestrians. That means we are guests here as cyclists. And that means you have to ride slowly here. Very slowly, actually. We're speeding up the video here, so you'll see that in a moment. There are a lot of entrances and exits here straight ahead. Really. You have to be careful. Please look again. Look to see if anything is coming. And when the cycle path, the pavement, of course, when the pavement is clear, then we carry on. As I said, we are guests here and we ride slowly here. At every driveway entrance and exit, you should check to see if anyone is coming, or rather, if a car is coming. Right, man, here comes another bus stop. You'd need to drive at walking pace here too, if a bus arrives and people want to get on or off. And now we're coming into the nursery area. Usually there are lots of cars parked on the right in the parking bays here. I'll just show you here. Car doors could open at any moment. And we drive very slowly in this area anyway, because children could be getting in or out, or adults. And we want to cross over there at the pedestrian crossing. In this example, someone has already pressed the button for us. I'm signalling again that I want to pull over to the right here. Get off your bike. And when it turns green, which it happens to be right now, then please push your bike across. Right, there's the pedestrian symbol on the traffic light too. Push it. And now we're on a pavement. If I want you to ride on the road, then I would have to ride on the road. But as long as I'm on the pavement here, it's pushed. And we do that for the test route. Please, that we push here. And we want to turn right up there. And I just had to check the map again. We're on the black path here. And we want to turn right into Pruitt Wilhardy Street. This is St. Wilhardy Street. We can get on the bike here. We check to see if anything is coming. Shoulder check left and signal left. That means we want to set off. And if nothing is coming, we set off, but then immediately signal that we want to turn right here. Yes, here is a speed 30's unknown. By the way, we aren't allowed to go faster than 30 either. In case anyone ever asks. And yes, there are a few wheelie bins lying about here. I obviously have to watch out. And otherwise, you ride on the right-hand side of the road here. Nothing has happened for a while now, but now there's a junction coming up, and at that one, right-hand priority applies. Please bear that in mind, look to the right, and only if nothing is coming can I continue. There's an obstacle in my way. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. Watch out for oncoming traffic, because I can only pass if there's no oncoming traffic. And I want to get back to the right side of the road. Shoulder check right, hand signal right, and then we carry on driving here. By the way, this could happen quite often here. For you, when there are vehicles or cars on the road, that means they are obstacles. And yes, then you have to pass them safely and, of course, watch out for oncoming traffic. I think this is the old part of Bardowick here. Very lovely, very nice. I would just like to say thank you very much indeed for all of your help with this. There's a pedestrian walking on the road in front of me. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. If there's nothing coming from the front, then I'll drive past. And here you need to observe priority to the right. Please have a really good look. And only carry on when nothing else is coming. Yes, this is a traffic-calmed area here. Please drive very slowly here as well. I hope the cars that drive along here always do that too. And we want to pull over on the right up ahead. That means I'll give a hand signal to the right here to show that I want to stop. Please do the same here at the end of the traffic-calmed area. You can also call it a play street. Then you push up here, look to the left, look to the right, and look to the left again. If nothing's coming, please push across. And we'll do the same thing now. Once more. Now we want to go across here. Pulling away from the curb, shoulder check to the left, hand signal to the left. And then we carry on if nothing's coming. Yes, this situation, you could also call this an indirect left turn, so the safer option. By the way, it's give way to the right here again. But you could also turn left directly. You can decide that later when you're driving along there. We've opted for the pushing method because we think there's a fair amount of traffic there. We want you to get across safely and be able to continue riding into this street here. At first glance, it doesn't seem like there's much going on here either, but there are driveway entrances here too. A car could pop out of here at any moment. In the worst case scenario, even in reverse. There's even a multi-family house here. And please, do make sure to be really careful when you are over there. We want to turn right, we do a shoulder check to the right and signal right. We technically have priority here, but we still look to the left because priority to the right applies here. Let's check to the left to see if we're being given priority. We're being extra careful here again. Lots and lots of cars can drive in and out here. And we want to continue onto the pavement here. Shoulder check to the right, hand signal to the right. Please don't ride on the road and push onto this pavement here. Later on, when you're in years 5, 6, 7, 8 or older, you could ride on the road here. But for the Year 4 cycling proficiency test route, we want you to push on the pavement here, please. And we'll push up to the traffic lights. We want to cross the road there and move to the other side of the street. Please be careful here as well. Lots of cars are coming in and out here. Right, so I'll press the button there to signal that I want to cross. And then we'll wait for the green light. By the way, we're on Grosser Straße here. We get a green light here relatively quickly, which is good. And by the way, on the other side, we can ride on the pavement. You can see this sign a bit to the right here. That was a cyclist's permitted sign. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. But that also means we're on a pavement here where cyclists are allowed. And we need to be careful here, very, very careful actually. There are shops here, there's a hairdresser, there's all sorts. Please ride very, very slowly. Especially if there are pedestrians here, you might even need to stop if necessary. Shoulder check right, hand signal right. And then we'll turn right in here. And yes, this is pretty much the final stretch now. We're almost there. The school playground is just up ahead. And I'd like to signal now that I want to go up to the left. Shoulder check left, hand signal left. Now then we're back on a pavement, and from here on we'll continue by pushing. I'll say it now, I've enjoyed showing you the route. Please always remember the shoulder check and the hand signal. We can speed this bit up a little too. And then you head back to the start of the route. One more thing, this basketball court here is an absolute dream. I think it's really, really good, and I wish there were more things like this. Really, really nice, brilliant. And generally, you've got a great shared school playground here with a secondary school. Yes, we're riding, we're walking along the edge here. And then we've done it. I want to encourage you, you can do this. You've learnt it, and you'll all be good cyclists one day. Please be careful. Everyone was a beginner once. And yes, that's called a learning phase. And everyone has to go through that to gain experience. See you next time. Bye-bye.